Two titans of fiber internet go head-to-head. Verizon Fios versus AT&T Fiber. Which one really delivers? On the left, Verizon Fios, known for pure fiber performance in the Northeast. On the right, AT&T Fiber, famous for lightning-fast speeds and bigger reach. Let's skip the buzzwords and get straight to what actually matters. Each category earns points, so by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result in 2025 might just surprise you. Okay, so before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's pull up our little mind map. We'll be breaking this down by price, speed and performance, overall availability, streaming and reliability, perks and bundles, and of course, customer service. Got all that? Let's tackle each category one by one. First up, price. Verizon Fios comes out swinging with some pretty sweet deals, starting at just $34.99 a month. And you know what's nice? Most of the time, those annoying equipment fees are baked right into that price, so no surprises there. But multi-gigabit plans are kind of hard to find unless you're in a big city like NYC. Then we've got AT&T Fiber. Their starting price is, well, let's just say it's not as budget-friendly at $55 per month. Sure, you get a Wi-Fi 6 router tossed in for free, and their multi-gig plans are actually a super value if you want those wild speeds. Downside? Get ready for promo prices to jump after a year or so, which honestly can be a bummer. So, for price, Verizon takes the edge. No need to break the bank. Now, speed and performance. Verizon Fios is famous for its rock-solid streaming stability. HD, 4K, live sports, you name it, it just works. You get up to 2.3 gigabits per second, which is plenty for most households, with speedy uploads too. But yeah, truth be told, only New York City and a couple other spots actually get those top speeds. Move on to AT&T Fiber and, whoa, up to 5 gigabits per second. That is some tech flexing. Every plan has matching upload and download speeds, so power users and smart homes, you guys will love it. That said, if you want those blazing fast plans, your wallet better be ready. So this one goes to AT&T Fiber for their monster speeds and nationwide reach. All right, how about availability? Verizon Fios, let's be real, is mostly a Northeast thing right now. 8 or 9 states, more if you squint at the upcoming map. It says they're expanding to 25 states by 2026, but today, options are kind of slim outside their turf. AT&T Fiber, on the other hand, spreads its wings over 22 states, mostly zooming through the Midwest and South. Not every single zip code gets it, but seriously, it crushes in terms of reach. So for availability, AT&T clearly wins here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Verizon Fios was actually the first major all-fiber-to-the-home network in the U.S.? That's real trailblazer stuff right there. Next up, streaming and reliability. And oh man, this is where things get spicy. Verizon Fios ranked #1 in the nation for HD and 4K streaming consistency. Like, if you hate buffering, this is the stuff dreams are made of. Plus, their crazy low latency is perfect if you're serious about gaming or watching live events. AT&T Fiber is no slouch either. Honestly, it's awesome for streaming and hardly drops the ball. So in this category, both are killer picks. I'd put it as a tie, but you'll hear people rave just a little louder about Fios' streaming. All right, let's chat perks and bundles. Verizon Fios will hook you up with mobile subscriber discounts and, nice, no contracts to worry about. But their TV bundle options? Kind of limited, and not everyone will find what they want. Switch over to AT&T Fiber, and there are some cool perks like bundling your internet with AT&T Wireless, plus a free Wi-Fi 6 router, and unlimited data across all plans. TV bundles aren't super robust compared to cable, but, you know, free Wi-Fi and bundling discounts are hard to ignore. AT&T takes this round for perks and bundles, honestly. Last, but definitely not least, customer service and satisfaction. Verizon Fios consistently snags top ratings in this department. Their pricing stays transparent, and there are minimal contract shenanigans, which, yeah, big plus. Only downside? If you really need help ASAP, support can lag a bit. AT&T Fiber has decent support and runs lots of promos, but response times can be hit or miss depending on who you get. So for this one, Verizon Fios stays at the top, winning for customer love. Let's bring up the radar so you can see the scores side by side. Price, speed, availability, streaming, bundles, and service. You'll notice some clear wins for AT&T on speed and availability, but Fios tends to dominate in price, consistency, and satisfaction. Kind of makes the decision tricky, right? So, final thoughts. If you live in the Northeast and want unbeatable streaming, pricing that doesn't leap up after a year, and honestly just want stuff to work, Verizon Fios is a safe bet. If you're chasing the fastest speeds out there, or you want solid coverage options, especially outside the Northeast, and those juicy bundle discounts, AT&T Fiber is going to be your jam. Both are awesome, but each fits a different vibe. Found this fiber showdown useful? Bookmark us for your next upgrade. See you